Let's go. There it goes. Another tree.
Alright. We can grow more trees.
Exactly.
Ooh, there it goes. Oh. Exciting. I hope Mike stays out of the way. Oh, I hope Mike stays out of the way. Paul's hollering at him. Oh, it's done. There's Snap. There it goes. That goes through more little trees. That's alright. That goes through more though.
Oh, the little one?
I think he just ran over him.
Yeah, I assumed that.
Sorry about that.
For the safety of the house, I don't care. I put new ones there.
It in half now. Did you hear? Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty tricky. Got it in half.
Huh?
You got it in half.
That's over there digging your fancy.
He's pulling it. Oh, it fell down a little bit.
Huh?
Oh, there it goes. Oh, thud. Oh boy, I just missed the house.
Huh?
I just missed the house, so some of the branches.
You did miss though, huh?
Oh, it missed, yep. Boy, that was a tall tree.
Oh, there it goes. Oh my God, I guess.